foodies, welcome to the channel if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today we are leaning into the heat of summer with some healthy iced coffee recipes. I have got a free ebook for you with all of these recipes that you can download using the link in the description box. For me, iced coffee starts with cold brew, so let me show you how to make that first. Of course, you can totally buy your own cold brew if you prefer, but it's so easy I could not show you how to do it. Start with coffee grounds. Medium to coarse ground is best, which just means not too finely ground. If you can grind these yourself at the grocery store or have someone at a coffee shop do it, that is great, but if not, just use what you can get from the store. All you do is combine coffee grounds and water. Mix it up, cover, let it sit overnight, and the next day you strain the grounds. I used a nut milk bag since I had one, but you could use a fine mesh sieve, cheesecloth, or even a coffee filter. Just get those grounds separated and you've got cold brew. Remember, cold brew is stronger than regular coffee, so when you use it, typically it's intended to be combined with equal parts cold brew and water. But if you don't want to use cold brew for iced coffee, you can totally just use cold, traditionally brewed coffee. A lot of times we save our leftover coffee from the pot at the end of the day and just put it into the fridge to use as iced coffee the next day. For these recipes, you can either use equal parts cold brew and water or just cold coffee for all of it. All of the specific measurements are in that free ebook linked below. Okay, so I am sharing 3 healthy iced coffee ideas with you today to keep indulgence down but flavor high. First is a basic vanilla iced coffee. It is so simple. We've got that cold brew and water, almond milk, and vanilla extract. That's it. Mix it up and serve over ice. There's no added sugar, but it gives me that cold, refreshing indulgence with vanilla flavor, and it is so quick to whip up too. This coconut iced coffee might be even easier though. It's just cold brew, coconut water, and a splash of coconut milk or cream, which is totally optional if you prefer your coffee black, of course. Mix them up and you're good to go. I personally like my iced coffee sweet, and using coconut water adds the natural sweetness without the refined sugar, and coffee and coconut is a classic combination, so it might seem like a surprising mix, but it actually works so well. Try it out for yourself. If you want something a little fancier, try this golden milk iced coffee. It contains cold brew, water, coconut milk, maple syrup, turmeric powder, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and a small pinch of black pepper. It all gets mixed together and poured over ice. This has a bit of sweetness from the maple syrup that helps balance the earthy turmeric, which is of course providing those awesome anti-inflammatory and brain-boosting benefits, as well as rich in antioxidants. And that black pepper isn't actually there for flavor. It turns out that when black pepper is combined with turmeric, it actually boosts the body's ability to absorb the turmeric benefits. And with such a small pinch, you won't even know it's there. Neat! In the free ebook, which you can get using the link in the description, I've included all of these recipes along with my iced coffee shake, which is dairy-free, vegan, and gluten-free, as well as my chocolate ice cubes, perfect for serving with your refreshing iced coffee on a hot summer day. I hope you enjoy the ebook and that you liked this episode. Let me know what else you'd like to see this summer in the comments below. I'll see you next week for a brand new episode, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.